Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with hopefully a quick little pour, using up some leftover paints that I have. Just shutting the door to my doggies so hopefully they don't cause too much noise and annoy anyone. So thank you for joining me, and thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. I think, as you all know, if you know me, I really do appreciate it, and yeah, thank you guys, thank you. So let the fun begin. Okay, these are leftover paints and I'm just gonna really go freestyle. I think early dearly, I'm gonna have to do voiceover on this particular one. I can see naughty puppies. So this is the delicious Mont gold, and I am going to just rub it in with my fingers. So this is the Mont gold made up with my PVA glue and water. The recipe for this pouring medium is in the drop down box, and I do have links to videos in the drop down box. Have links to videos in the drop down box for beginners that go through all making up your pouring medium and paints, because yeah, I'm still getting lots of people saying, oh, how do you mix that and how do you do this, and it's all there if you just look for the links below and the description below each video. So look at that, gorgeous, really sheeny, shiny gold. So see what we're going to do with this today. So this is a bit of a mix in here now, so mixing the paint different paints with this particular pour. Okay, I have some of the gold from the Boom Gel. This is the Boom Gel stain, which this isn't the colour, but this is the Boom Gel stain. So I have a bit of these paints left over from previous pour that are really watered down, so I can use my hairdryer. So I'm just gonna do these. Which way shall I? I might just do I love doing it around the edge in a big bow so it kind of frames it. I might, yeah, go right up to the top. Why not? So this will probably end up to be my kiss and blow, but we'll just see how it goes, because I just want to kind of freestyle and not even think too much about what I'm doing. Just let my creative prowess, is that what they say, take over? I don't know these names that they use, but anyway, I just want to give it a go and free flow. Oh, look at that must have the boom booster in it, because look at the cells that it's gone. So that brown must have put the boom booster in it, which is definitely a silicone. I thought it had got no silicone in it. Now this is just the Mont, which was gold, white with the gold added. So gonna put some of that in. But yeah, that's, oh, I've really gone overboard with that. Too much jelly. A little teeny bit of the Boom Gel in the orange Banksia is left, so put that in because it's kind of all earthy oranges and golds and browns. So I think in the US you're going into your what you call fall, which in England, where I come from, and Australia, fall we just call autumn. But yesterday in Australia was our first day of spring, but this looks more like an autumn pour or fall pour. So this is a lovely colour, and it's one of the Boom Gel stains in the kind of yellow sand colour. Now, normally to do this kind of pour, you wouldn't hardly use any paint, but because I'm going to do a kiss and blow, basically spreading it all up there over the painting, and I'm not going to use another coat over it. And this is the lovely Manna Crab Blue, which I love. So it's still keeping in with the fall colours, I believe, or autumn as we call it here. But it's got that gorgeous gold back in there. Those puppies have gone strangely silent. Now, then I worry when they've gone silent. What are they up to? But they're all securely in their own room where there's nothing that will harm them. Oh, here we go. Let's give this one a go. I'm not going to put any flood coat over it. I'm just going to actually blow it as it is. Hair dryer. Oops a days. Yeah, still haven't changed this very big and cumbersome hairdryer that I'm currently using. I never thought to have a look today when I was out at the shops for a more easy to handle one. But I am loving those colours. Let's see what mess I can get myself into. Oh, would be nice if it actually... I've got the plug in, I've got that in, I've got that in. It's not... Power. What's happened to the power? Okay. Oh, there you go. Silly Jilly. Let's give this a go. Oh, look at those cells coming up from the boom booster. Now back down the other way. Some people advise me not, only use the blower a couple of times, but this is not a traditional kind of Dutch pour because I've loaded it with paint and not used a flood coat. I just wanted to blow that paint all up there to get those fall autumny colours in, and then I will just blow it. To sort of blow out some softer edges. But look at the cells that boom booster gives. Sort of a real abstract look to it. Don't really want to blow too much more in that. But as I said, I want to do a balloon, a kiss and blow, or a blow and kiss, so I'm blowing it and now I'm going to kiss it. Gonna kiss it, kiss it, kiss it. Okay. I use my mini. This is just a balloon, any old balloon, just filled with a little bit of water. And look at that, there's a fly already. Flip off, you. Oh my goodness. I know that he's trying to add to the mixed media of it all, but there you go, he's out. Yeah, here we go, just around the boundary of it, or the frame it basically, so it's very glistening with that gold in there. It's making everything just glisten. Not sure if you can see that. All those naughty puppies, they're getting their own voices now and they want to be heard, so that's all good. It's just not good when you've got the video running, is it? Because some people get annoyed with it, but It's real life. It just goes to show you it's real life here in Australia. Wowzers, trousers. Oh, I like this. I like it. Yeah, because it's not the traditional Dutch pour looking, because it's just filled up the canvas with some glorious colours. Just strategically doing the balloon kiss, and they don't look like true balloon kisses. They're just making the paint have a different effect in, which is nice. I like it, and that's all that has to please is yourself with your art. Don't have somebody coming in and telling you, pushing you around. Just do what you feel. It's your artistic expression of yourself, what you want to do. And as lots of people have told me, if other people don't like it, then, you know, they can move on. Or what did one lady say? Stick it in the pipe and smoke it. I don't know what that means, but anyway, there we go. I absolutely love that. There is an artist that actually paints quite like that. I just can't think who it is. I might just get my little skewer and take some of this paint up through this gold so it's not looking so lonely up there on its own. There's just a little bamboo skewer, so there you go. I'm happy, Jen. I'm liking it. Sorry about the beginning of my artwork, which was a bit loud. So I've got some other paints mixed and I'm going to push on with some more. I'll leave that to dry, and I think it will dry really sheeny, shiny, like, because it's got the metallic gold in it, so it should look beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you guys for joining me once again. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Until next time, bye for now. I will leave some photos of the finished product at the end and hope you enjoyed that. Thank you. And you all knew that Jilly would maybe come back, but I've come back. I love it, but I want to push it to see what else I can get out of it. So I've got still got some of this metallic black. I don't know, this seems to just refill up on its own, because I don't fill up on its own, and I've been using it for weeks, it seems. So I just want to see what the metallic black, which is kind of like it's like a very steel metallic grey type thing. So I'm just gonna try it. Why not? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Wowzers, trousers. Okie doke. Starry, starry night. Paint your palettes. Something, something. Can't remember the words. Typical of me. Okay. And the one thing I didn't do on the first pour, I didn't add any heat to it, like with my heat gun. So, out comes the hairdryer thing, and in goes my heat wand. See what I can get. Oh, look at that. That is that boom booster. Pretty unbelievable what the effect the boom booster has in your paints. Now I'm really just gonna push it. I'm gonna give it a big, big balloon. I'm going to balloon it, even though that is gorgeous. So, holding the belly button of my balloon. Let's see what mess I can get myself into here. Push it right in. Push it right in again. In again. This is obviously just the bigger balloon, but okay. Then let's go the next step. Steppy. See if I can get some sort of stems in on that with that black silicone. Just knit down, dipping it in black silicone, and so they kind of look like stems. In with the popsicle brush. I'll go back over those in a second to try and thin them out a bit. So oops. Turn it round. So that's certainly abstract, that's for sure. Okay, I want to push back in where I pushed the original balloon kiss. Kissy sound. That's why I call it the balloon kiss, because it makes a kiss sound, and I certainly don't smash it, so I don't call it balloon smash, because I don't smash the balloon on it. I kiss it. There you go. Not sure if that added or took away from the original, but it's ended up a bit blobby. But there you go, having an art lab day, testing these things, so I'll just go with the flow. So thanks again for joining me. You knew I'd push it that bit further. It's either you love it or you hate it. So thank you, bye for now.